I could drink a case of you right now, but I wanna keep my skin down and let go of this dark, dingy, overpowering frown. Once upon a time, I made a man to pick up a free fight that would only last one whole day. What do you say? Addictive nature, baby. Addictive nature. I am in control from now on. I am in control now. Don't you think twice about trying to come back? I let it all go, especially this dark, addictive, wannabe, overpowering foul. Goodbye, I said.